Dear students, today we will discuss SOF International Mathematics Olympiad paper for 2020. See in the paper, let us see first what are the sections in the paper. There are 4 sections. First one is here logical reasoning, next is mathematical reasoning, third is everyday mathematics, and fourth is achievers section. And see, the instruction initially is given each question in achievers section carries 2 marks, whereas all other questions carry 1 mark each. Now let us start. First, logical reasoning. Question number 1. Find the odd one out. You have to find out the pair of letter among A, B, C, D option, which one is different from the other. So see, in option A, there is letter P and Q. Successively 2 letters are there, one after the next, P and then Q. In B number, T, U, they are also successive letters. In C number, D, E, they are also successive letters. But in option D, L and N, they are not successive letters. So, option D is correct here. Pass to the question number 2. Select a figure from the options which will complete the given figure pattern. See in the pattern, and you have to find out which one option is correct here. See, there is a circular part shaded outside in every part, and then there is a white part, then inside there is a straight part shaded, and then there is white part, and then see in this part, in this 1/4 part, there is circular part which is shaded. So comparing, we get that option C is fitting here. Question number 3. How many triangles are there in the given figure? See the figure. This is the figure. You have to count how many triangles. So see, there is 1, 2 triangles, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay, 17, 18. No other triangles. Total 18 triangles we are getting from the figure. So option B is correct. Sorry. Option B is correct here. Pass to the question number 4. How many possible combinations of one wristwatch and one wall clock can be formed from the given watches and wall clocks? So see, if we combine one watch, one wristwatch with the three wall clock, then we get one combination, 2, 3. For one wristwatch we are getting 3 combination. Similarly, for the second wristwatch we will get more 3 combination. For the third one we get again 3, and the fourth one we get more 3. So total we are getting 12 combinations. So here option D is correct. Let us pass to the question number 5. See it. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of 4 dotted. Identify the relationship between the given pair and find the missing figure. Okay, you have to find out what will be here. So see, F related to 12. Now we have to find a relation between F and 12. See, if we count the number, if we count the letter starting A with 1, then B 2, C 3, D 4, E 5, and then F is coming as 6th. Okay, and in the relation here is given F related to 12, and we know that 6 double of 6 is 12. So 6, F is mean, if we take F as 6, here is double. So count the number of position of I. F is 6, then G 7th, H 8th, and I is coming at 9th position. So 9 multiplied 2, we are getting 18. So option C is correct here. Question number 6. Which of the following words can be formed from the letters on the given words? Given word. What is the given word? Given word is here statement. This is the given word. Now we have to find the word that can be formed using the letter of statement. First one option is toast, but O is missing in the word statement. Next is tease, T-E-A-S-E. See how many 1 T we are getting from here. 2 E, yes, 2 E are there in statement word, and 1 A and 1 S. So this B is getting. So option B is correct. Other two options C and D is not fulfilled, not coming from the statement word. Pass to the question number 7. In which group does the number 30 not belongs? Let us find the relationship among the numbers. In option A, 5, 10, 15, 20. Then the next number is 25. It is a multiple of 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, and next is coming 30. So 30 belongs to A. We are finding here in which one group 30 not belongs. See option B. There is a multiple of 3. 3 6 is 9. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 5 is 15. So 30 will come at the 10th step. 3 10 is 10. So 30 will belong in B group. Pass to C group. 6, 12, 18, 24. Then 30 will definitely come. It is the multiple of 6. Next option D. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the multiples of 4. But 30 does not belongs here. So option D is correct here. Now pass to the next question number 8. Which of the following figure will replace the question mark in the given figure matrix? See, this is the figure matrix, and see there is 3 shape, so there is 3 shape. 5 shape, 5 shape. Here is 3 4 7 shape. So which one option is correct from here? Option D. 7 shapes are here. Now question number 9. If yesterday was Friday, then 6th day from today will be dash. So if yesterday was Friday, then today is Saturday. This is the first day. Today we are counting first day, Saturday. Second, Sunday. Third, Monday. Fourth, Tuesday. Fifth, Wednesday. Sixth, Thursday. So we are getting here 6th day, Thursday. Pass to the question number 10. Find the mirror image of the given figure. This is the figure and mirror image. We will get the mirror image this side. Which one is fit? See, option D. U inside letters inside the figure Y O U, it will appear as U O and Y. Mirror image. Okay. Now come to the next section, that is mathematical reasoning. Question number 11. Which of the following number names does not belongs to the given figure? In the given figure, certain numbers are given in digit forms, and in the options there are number given in word form. So see the option A, 299. Yes, 299 here in the figure present. Okay. Next option is 765. See, 765 is there in the figure. 102, also 102 is there. 597, but 597 is not there. So option D is correct. Question number 12. If this figure of one book represent 4 books, then which of the following represent 18 books? So count the number of books from A, B, C and D, all option. Here 4, 4, 4 and this is 2. So 12 plus 2, 14. Option B, 4, 4, 4, 4, 16. Option C, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 20. Option D, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 16 plus 2, 18. So our option D is correct here. Now pass to the question number 13. Find the value of this one subtraction. Abacus subtraction is there. Let us first find the number in the first abacus. See what is the number in the first abacus. This is representing 3436. Second one representing 2523. We have to subtract. Let us subtract. This become 3, 1, 9. 913 is coming. So which one option is here? 9 tens, 9 ones, 9 to 100, 913 ones. Option D, 913 ones. This is the correct. Now pass to the question number 14. If one small square equal to 2 units, then stapler is dash units longer than the pencil. See here the figure. How many small square given for the stapler? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square. So that means 7 multiply 2. 1 square equal to 2 units. So 7 square, 7 multiply 2, that is 14 unit. Okay. Now what are the units for, what is the unit for this pencil? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small square. That means 5 multiply 2, 10 units. Then we have to find the difference. 10 minus 14, sorry, 14 minus 10, that is 4 units. So we are getting option C, 4 is correct. Now pass to the question number 15. Weight of 2 such toys horse is dash the weight of one laptop. You have to say either it is less than, more than, same as, or can't be determined. So see in the figure, what is the weight showing horse? It is showing 200. So 2 horse weight total 400. And see the laptop weight is 450. It is 450. So we get 2 horse weight is less than the weight of the laptop. So option A is correct here. Now we will pass to the question number 16. Himanshi has two 500 rupees note. So actually he has 1000 rupees. Which of the following items can she buy if she spends all her money? He wants to spend all her money. So see here, option A, toy tiger and spinning ball. What is the total cost of toy tiger and spinning ball? Toy tiger is 395 and spinning ball is 615. If we add between them, we get more than 1000. It is coming 1100. 1100 rupees. Now see option number B, toy tiger and violin. What is the total cost of toy tiger and violin? Toy tiger and violin 395 and 605. Adding we get exactly 1000. So this option is correct here. Option B. Pass to the next question. 17. See here. A concert started at 20:45. Time is 20:45. It lasts for 2 hours 25 minutes. At what time did it finish? So here time started is 20 hour 45 minute, okay, and it lasts for 2 hour and 25 minute. Then while it will finish, we have to add the times. Let us add 5 plus 5 10, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 70 minute. Here is our part 22 hour. So 22 hours 70 minute, but 60 minute means 1 hour. So we are getting here 23 hour. Taking 60 from this 70 minute, we are getting 1 hour. That 1 hour is added with 22. So we get 23 hour and remaining 10 minutes. So 23 hour 10 minutes means 23 hour 10 minutes means its time is at night 11:10. So which one option is correct here? Here we getting this option A. 11:10 is showing here. 17 A. Pass to the question number 18. Find the total length of the boundary of the given figure. This is the figure. See, total length of boundary. Let us add all the measurement here given. 1 centimeter plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 12, plus 1 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 8 29, 29 plus 5 34. So total boundary length is 34 centimeter. Option B is correct. Pass to question number 19. If the digit at tens place is interchanged with the digit at thousand place in the given number, then what is the difference between the new number formed and the given number? See here, the given number is 9376. If we interchange between the thousand place and the 10 place, then the number become 7396. Now you have to find the difference. So here 6 minus 6 0, 7 minus 9 means 17 minus 9 8, borrowing 1 from here, so it become 2, 2 minus 3, that is 12 minus 3 9, 1 borrowing from here, 8 minus 7 is 1. So we are getting 1980. So option C is correct here. Now pass to the question number 20. If this whole triangle is representing one whole, then what represent this equal to? So this is 1 whole and this is half. So 1 whole and half means 1 and half. Option A is correct. We have discussed here 2 sections of the question paper. In the next video I will discuss another 2 sections. Thank you and goodbye now.